What's up mga basketball? Long time no see. Kumusta po kayong lahat? So today po, I'm going to do some unboxing again. It's a Jordan 1s. Let's do it. Here we go mga basketball. Heto na po to, right? So if you're a Jordan fan, alam nyo na po kung anong i-unbox natin ngayon. Okay. Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. Ganda na box niya, no? Right? Okay. Let's do it. Here we go, mga basketball. Eto po. Look at this, mga basketball. Here we go. Of course, shutter-board, kulay orange po siya. Then of course, combination of white and black. So, outer sole niya is orange. Alright. So, nothing special. Oh, I really don't know what's happening. Maybe of inflation, maybe the sneakerhead just give up, right? Because right now, or until now, marami pa po kayong makukuhang Jordan 1 shutter-board in any shops. In any shop, yeah. Literally. In JD, Jumps, Foot Locker, and even Nike. So kung gusto niyo po pong makakuha, just go in the shops and you will be having Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. So, okay? Ganda po siya. This combination of orange again, black and white. Alright. So, mas gusto ko po yung box niya. So, anyway, yung leather po niya, of course, maganda. Right? Kita nyo po. Ganda po yung leather niya. Okay? Alright. Anyways, thank you very much po sa aking mga subscribers. 293 na po tayo. We're getting there. Alright, we're grinding. Okay. So, yung hindi po subscribers, please do hit subscribe. And, of course, hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo kung mayroon po akong bagong videos. Alright. Again, thank you very much, guys. And see you whenever.